Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing about blockchain system and specifically how blockchain systems are used in the process of auctioning or auctions and how it provides security in the process of auctioning. My team of five are going to be presenting each and every topic that is going to be covered in this PPT. So I hope you find what we have to say informative and I hope you enjoy our presentation.
If you want to know more about blockchain, yeah, here it's your lecture.
And clearly, let us have an example of a banking sector. Generally, a banking sector store their all the transaction in a centralized server, but it costs a high maintenance charge. Suppose if a third party or a hacker tries to breach and crack the code of a transaction, it is easy for him. So, to protect this, here comes our legend called as blockchain. For instance, let us consider that I myself be a centralized server of a bank. Now, I am distributing all the transaction ledger evenly to thousands of blocks. From this thousands block, let us consider a single block called as block 1. As soon as all the transactions are aligned in a block 1, suddenly it creates a hash value or a cryptographic hash, which is nothing but a unique value as a fingerprint of a human. The present hash value will be equal to the past hash value. Likewise, all the subblocks in the block 1 has a same hash value. Now, these thousands of blocks were connected with a virtual chain called as blockchain, and all these thousands of blocks were connected and grouped to form a network called as a blockchain network, which serves as a more powerful security for a transaction. Suppose if a hacker tries to hack a transaction between a person A and a person B, he can't able to do the hack. To hack a single transaction, he want to breach or hack all the thousands of blocks, which is impossible. Now let us discuss the benefits of using a blockchain. First, transparency. Everyone can download their copies of their blockchain and look it for it if a transaction have been verified or not verified. Second, security. Because the blockchain is being kept in air by numerous ledgers and the transactions are being verified by the miners, the security level cannot be compromised. Third, improved traceability. Instead of having a file everything in your own system and having to look it up, you can find everything back in the blockchain. Fourth, increased efficiency and speed. Because everything gets automated, there is no more need of a third party to mediate in the process of a payment process, increasing efficiency and speed. Reduced cost. Because there is no more need of a third party, since all the technologies have some disadvantage, blockchain technology also has some disadvantage. The top 5 disadvantages are listed below. First, slow process. Blockchain can also be slowed down when there are too many users on the network. Second, high energy consumption. Some solutions consume too many energy. Third, inefficient. Blockchain are sometimes inefficient due to how they operate. Fourth, high cost. Blockchain implementation is a costly process. Fifth, interoperability. Blockchain does not offer interoperability as of now.
You've spent the last 4 or 5 years on the internet and you encountered terms such as cryptocurrency and blockchain and NFTs, and you're wondering what all these are about. I would like to explain all of them thoroughly to you, but before I begin, I would like to show you a set of images. And if you've seen or encountered these pictures on the internet and wondered what these are and what they meant and what all the fuss is about. These are called NFTs or non fungible tokens, and what these essentially are worth a lot of money because people bid their money for these artworks for huge amounts of money, too much money if you frankly ask me. But this is where blockchain system in the process of auctioning comes in and provides a very secure system.
During the auction, bidders create and register their proposals privately. The digital fingerprint of the proposal, called the hash, is signed and recorded as a proof of existence on the blockchain. Proposal of the content is not disclosed, so no one other than the bidder knows about it. After the registration phase, the content of each proposal is submitted to the purchaser. At this point, it's no longer possible to change the existing file or create a new proposal. The fingerprint that was previously recorded on the blockchain is then validated. This ensures that the original proposal remains unchanged and cannot be manipulated by somebody to take advantage. During the settlement process, purchaser evaluates the tender proposals and communicates the results. The hash of the winning proposal can be made public for anyone to verify its authenticity. The factors like strict deadlines, unique proposals, immutable tenders, and undisputed authorship of bids helps to create a digital trust without the need of a third person.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Have a nice day.